The Sentinelese were first contacted by the government in 1991. The contact party under the administration is always accompanied by security. The arrow-shooting Sentinelese are a constant fear. It is yet to be discovered what the residents of North Sentinel Island call themselves. They have been indexed as contacted Sentinelese. Gifts of coconuts are means to overcome limited communication and uncertain vocabulary. Coconuts do not grow on these islands, but they are valued by the Sentinelese.
Showing the genital.
That is always there.
That is what? Is it angry or?
No, they are not angry. Laha.
They're dancing.
That is one of the things. Laha! 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 Dag! Dag! Miguel! Dag! Daga! Laha! Laha! Daga! Daga! Laha! Daga!
Daga means coconut. Laha means come here. These words are familiar to the Jarawa tribe. We do not know if the Sentinelese understand it.
Leha. Da. Leha. 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 Daga. Leha leha mache. Leha leha. Ye pasó da leha leha mache. Iya baba ko ke kalo. Leha. 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 Daga. Da.
भाई वो कोई कमारा नहीं है घुमाइए मत बड़ा रेडी तो
Leha. Udah. Udah. Ini nak kana ko dia tu. Dia ne bota lo.
The estimated 90 Sentinelese continue to live as hunters and gatherers, solely dependent on food provided by nature.
The Sentinelese had a very mixed reaction towards us. In the first place, they cheerily waited us on the shore and they indicated their presence by walking down towards the beaches and then disappear. They are a very lively people who prefer to live in isolation away from the mainstream of life.